Too bad duck season closed. Look at that pintail.
Oh, right there. Yeah.
Crazy. Those widgeon mallards.
Never remember this many ducks. Here's a pinner. There's all sorts of different ducks.
Oh yeah. Redheads.
What is that one that's closest to us?
I saw a mallard and a pintail.
It looked like a mallard to me.
Yeah. Pintail's on the left, mallards out front.
Yeah.
Jeez.
You can shoot those ones. I heard some geese, dude.
Yeah, it did.
They're coming.
Are they behind us? Sit up and shoot right now.
Yeah.
They kind of came in on a weird angle, but
Yeah. I'll just wait till you tell me to take them.
we could have waited and see if they came around on our hole.
Uh-huh.
Let's wait next time.
Okay.
But I didn't want to pass over our heads. Did you?
I didn't care.
There's a flock on our right coming. There's two flocks coming. They're not doing it. Staying high. Oh, they might look. Oh, that was weird. Oh, I hear geese.
Me too. Oh, they're getting closer.
And behind us? Oh, we had three right behind us. My side. I only shot one. Wait, shoot that one if it comes back.
I have a bullet.
We should have had those, but I just couldn't. I got caught on my blind on the way up.
Yeah. Okay, we each got one more. I hear more geese.
Okay, just stay down then. That one's coming back. Be ready. I gotta open my other shells. Those kind of floated over nice.
I'm just gonna let that. I'm not gonna shoot that one.
Can hear the lessers. Oh, to our left.
There they are.
Oh, the calling spooked them. Did you see that?
What happened?
When I called, they flared. Where'd they go? Oh, there's a big flock out front. I'm gonna shoot.
Oh. You hit him.
Sorry.
That one's going down. Well, that's your limit.
They might come over.
You looking at them?
Yeah, to our right. There's some behind us, I think, too, though.
I can hear the ones behind us.
Some behind us and to our right.
There they are.
A whole bunch. Holy crap. What are they doing? Shoot. It's too, was that too
limit.
Was that too close for your first shot?
I don't know. I don't know how I missed him.
Oh, they're going over to those guys. There's two more.
Say what?
Just watch them.
Well, that's it.
Nice shot.
That was fun, dude.
Good job.
Thanks, man.
Well, that's a snowy limit of honkers.
When it's good, it's good.
Yeah, heck yeah.
Whew.
Had to be quiet on the call. It seemed like it was scaring them.
Those are those original two that were flying high.
Let me see that one. Good bird, big bird.
Yeah, it's pretty. I missed that first shot, dude.
Been all over.
That second shot, I hit him right in the head. Or hit him right in the neck, in the upper head. You know?
All right, Benton. Finally got cold and we finally had a good honker shoot on the ice, right? How was it?
Yeah, this is the best shoot I've ever been on, actually.
Pretty cool.
First
They did
time
it.
I've ever limited out.
Well, that's cool. They did it right in the snow, huh?
Yeah, it's
Shot my first 5 with the 28 gauge. That's cool.
hit some in the net. Pretty birds, some lessers, some graders.
Yeah, look at this little one. A little lesser.
Compared to this one right here.
Yeah, let's pick them both up.
Let me see.
Yeah,
This
look
is
at the
a
two.
massive bird, dude.
There's a lesser. You got your greater. We'll take it, right?
Which one's gonna taste better?
Both
Well, you can do the taste
of
test.
them.